my speakers on, turn my speakers on. Can you hear me?
That was insane.
Hey man, shit man, free my nigga Chris Key, man, watch bitch and watch me. You heard that?
My speakers on, and let me vent.
Yeah, turn my speakers on, turn my motherfucker. Yeah, turn my speakers on, turn my, aight, yeah, turn my speakers on, turn my motherfucking, yeah, turn my speakers on, turn my speakers on, yeah, turn my speakers on, turn my motherfucking, yeah, turn my speakers on, turn my speakers on, turn my speakers on, turn my motherfucking, told her plug my heart up to the ox and turn my speakers on. It's always motion at the spot like I can't be alone. Nigga doing 100 down the Osmo, get my auto plug on speakerphone. With some fine shit on my mind that I can't leave alone. Just turn my speakers on.
What to do, familiar? We just made it to the first viewing, the first showing for today. There's a lot going on right now, as you guys can see. We have a very, I don't want to say a bad spot, but the lighting just ain't the fuck it. But it's okay, we're gonna make it happen. We're kind of behind the scenes just a little bit, kind of seeing everything that's going on. There's a lot of people, a lot of humans, things of that nature. There's more cameras than there are attendees. I don't know if that should be a red flag to leave or what, but I feel like my shot might look exactly like someone else's. So I don't feel as special anymore, but it's okay because we're gonna make the best out of this. Because imagine, if we're the first to leave also, we might catch some fits on the outside on the streets. We ain't normal, you know what I mean? We ain't normal. We might catch some fits on the outside streets. When we leave here, stop it. But you gotta think outside the box, and I feel like we're all in one box, so it's kinda hard to do that. But I'm gonna get back at y'all when we figure out what the fuck going on.
Today's show is being live streamed. Please also refrain from standing during the show so as not to interfere with press or photographers. We ask you now to sit back and enjoy the show.
You heard that? Trying to get yeah, but it's so hard. And then don't let this shit go to your head. I go over it. Alright. Nigga, I pay attention. Go. Yo, my day-to-day be crazy. Ain't never fitting, so they tend to call me crazy. But the way I hit the road could never call me lazy. Came up off of picking flowers, I'm in love with daisies. I let this money sell my moves, so I can't let them play me. Wanna keep me in the booth, I told them niggas pay me. I've been working day and night, cause I know nothing coming free. I've been shopping, not the price, I get excited for the cheap. And I've been taking cat naps, cause I lose money when I sleep. Hit my phone, I get the running, I make money when it beat. Niggas old as fucking still be getting fronted, that's deep. Could be me. Showing the money and baby might just shake her ass off. That's that cash talk. Type to fly around the world and make her ass walk. What your ass thought? Pushing P ain't have to tell her take her pants off. I'm with the Grizzlies in the bank, Zach Randolph. If shit running down on me, ain't need a handoff. Made that ass say it missed me, told her sound off. I can flip a pack, but I can't do a round off. Niggas trying to imitate, but this shit dead raw. Trying to get gangsta and bullet doing fed talk. Let that man walk. Cause if I go with my move, could get that man chalk. What your ass thought? You know, day-to-day be crazy. Ain't never finished, so they tend to call me crazy. But the way I hit the road could never call me lazy. Came up off of picking flowers, I'm in love with daisies. I let them money switch my mood, so I can't let them play me. Wanna get me in the booth, I told them niggas pay me. I've been working day and night, cause I know nothing coming free. I've been shopping, not the price. I say you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know I'm the one lately who been fucking up your thoughts, babe. So you know I gotta make you pay for every thought, babe. You don't even know what this shit costs, babe. I say you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know I'm the one lately who been fucking up your thoughts, babe. So you know I gotta make you pay for every thought, babe. I'ma come through at my touch like salt, babe. Don't believe them other hoes, cause tell the truth, they want your spot, babe. She say I could get a love, but it's gon' cost me. You could keep it, I don't need it. Lately I've been feeling bossy. She talking about love, but what is that? That's what she lost. Just try go round from round, I beat her back like Ronda Rousey. I'm I'ma pay the tab, cause tell the truth, that shit ain't cost me. All I know is cheese, it got me feeling like a mouse. You don't even know what this shit cost, baby. I see your time. I'm giving you time. But I bought, baby. I know that lately. I'm giving you time to get it all. I gotta make it for every thought, baby. You don't even know what this shit cost, baby. I say you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, baby. I know me neither. I'm the one been fucking up your thoughts, baby. So you know that I gotta make it pay for every thought, baby. I'ma pay the tab, cause tell the truth, that shit ain't cost me. All I know is cheese, it got me feeling like a mouse. You don't even know what this shit cost, babe. I said, you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know that lately I'm the one who fucking up your thought, babe. So you know I gotta make you pay for every thought, babe. You don't even know what this shit cost, babe. I say, you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know lately that I'm the one been fucking up your thought.
Say, man. Free my recipe, man. Don't watch me. Christ like. Hey,
good look, Ashton.
You heard that? Hey, good looking, Ashton. Alright. I let God in my life, then I switched the route. I never do it for the vine, I do it for the clout. I had evil in my heart, I had to pray it out. They tried to put me in a gang, I took the paper route. The Lord released me from my past, and I'ma say it loud. Yeah, I'ma say it proud. Ain't had no one in my corner, Jesus held me down. All I wanna do is see my mama and my granny smile. How I'm getting down, I be getting round. Phone buzzing, trying to find a way to put it down. Going pound for pound, trying to get the home base, I'm jumping off the mound.
Oh yeah, do it, Tom. Do it, Tom.
Working in New York, I do mud. She gon' leave me in.
You guys, looking at all the different stuff that they have here. It's like insane the type of stuff that they have here. Like if you guys can see, like there's like those are big pieces of Lego. Like these are big made Legos. And then there's a dragon right here that's made out of Legos. This is like insane because it's made out of Legos. And then they have this side of it too, also made out of Legos. It's crazy because you got this right here also made out of Legos. So literally everything up here is made out of Legos. crazy. Legos, Legos, Legos. And these are like expensive as shit too. There's so many of them. Wow. So we're in this place called Buffalo Exchange. It has new and recycled fashion. It actually looks real fire. I'm not even gonna lie. Like the moment that I walked in, I kind of already felt like I was gonna find some shit that I was gonna take home. And I just started looking at more and more stuff, and I'm just seeing some pieces that just look like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. It's like new and recycled fashion. Different vibes. I saw some sweaters that I feel like I already like, but I'm gonna try to just like keep an open mind and keep looking around because I don't want to get stuck on something too fast. Like I already feel like I found something. Like this right here, the GSM on this is insane. Like the thickness that this is crazy, bro. It says Palace, London. It's a London jacket. You guys know how much I love London hoodies, bro. This bit is heavy. Like it got that heavy knit cotton. Like it feels like quality. It feels quality, gang. It feels quality. But yeah, this is crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and keep looking. I'm gonna let y'all see what kind of vibes we find. I'm low-key, bruh. I'm finding pants off the dribble, bro. Like, what? I think New York's probably the funnest place to thrift at. But we're gonna keep looking and let y'all know what we find, if we find anything, which I'm pretty sure we will, so we'll see. After this thrift spot, I hit up a lot of different spots, man. There were so many different spots on literally one street. It was one street with a whole bunch of different thrift stores. I was headed to one in particular thrift store, like NYC Thrift. And on that same exact street, I ran into so many different vintages, different buy, sell, trade places, just a whole bunch of different places. Like this one right here had a bar. It had a lot of different trippy art. It had some really cool jeans. It had a plethora of hats. But everything like, you know, Florida's, I guess, thrift prices and New York City's thrift prices are nowhere near the same. This thing even had barbecue sauce and hot sauce. I was so confused as to where I was, man. This Tupac poster was lit. I don't know. I was so confused where I was at, man. I went to another buy sell trade spot. Also, this one was more hype beastie. They had Yeezys in there. I found this really cool hat. I found two really cool hats actually, and I don't know, it was like made out of like plexiglass. Like it had like a plastic brim on the hat, which I thought was really freaking cool. Like a plastic brim on top of the hat. I think it was a Von Dutch hat, but it looked really lit. I had found a dark side hat. I had found a Von Dutch hat, and I found this other one that was like Solo Dolo or like Only Dolo or something like this. And yeah, bro, so I don't know. I was just inside of this spot looking at everything. I had found some Yeezys that were my size also, but I don't know. I didn't really necessarily like them. They were the Salt Yeezys. I don't know if you guys know what the salts are, but they were the salts. But I was really on the hunt for a hat. And I think because I was looking for a hat so bad, I wasn't really looking at anything else, and I wasn't able to find anything else because of how bad I was looking. But I ended up in Marshall's because I needed a new suitcase. So yeah. What to do? All right, so literally we're in Marshall's and TJ's right now. I think I might have just found me a new luggage. I've been looking for one of these bags, right, for a long ass time. Like this exact bag that I have, I've been looking for it for a long time. It's a great quality, right? So it's called Brit bag. So literally, as you guys can see, this is the bag right here. It's called Brit bag. It's like very, very industrial. I've been looking for one for a long time. They have every other colorway and stuff like that, but they haven't had the one that I wanted that I've been looking for, right? So they have all of these. I'm gonna show y'all. Look, they have these right here, right? That they have, but I don't want this color. Like I don't want the color. I wanted a black one, and this black one is also built different. Also, if you guys can see it, like it's literally built different. Like Y'all see this, bro? Like, it's built like a freaking tank. Like, it's like gear is meant to go in here type shit. Like, I actually really love it, bro. So we're gonna go ahead and pick this up. I've been looking for one of these for a long time. Yeah, we need new luggage anyways. We're traveling a lot more in 2025. And this one has the wheels that I want. Also has the 2-wheel combo. The one that I have currently only has the 1 wheel, and it'd be pissing me off because when I'm rolling it through the airport, I can't roll it how I want to roll it because my wheels keep folding and falling on top of each other. So it doesn't have enough wheels to support itself. So this right here, as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you how it rolls. This one right here rolls nice. Like, I can roll it regularly, but like also like it has fluid legs to be able to literally just, you see that? Like, look at how fluid it is, bro. So I'm definitely gonna love this little bag right here. But yeah, so now we're about to look through here a little bit more and then see what else we may find. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on whatever we do. Let's do it. But I'm wearing this bit. I'm about to look at some bra. JK. But I think I'm about to look at, I think I'm fitted. Look, see, they got different colorways too. Like, they got these colors also, which are really cool. Like, this is really cool and industrial. Like, this is different. Like, somebody's gonna be like, oh, where'd you get that from? You know what I'm saying? But like this one, there isn't even another one of these here. Like, there isn't even another one here. There's only this large one right here, right? So there's like this one, and then there's this one, and these are like the huge ones, but I don't even need that big of a one. You know what I'm saying? We're always taking carry-ons. You know what I'm saying? Another rule of thumb, whenever you're traveling dolo, like or traveling solo or traveling alone, always take you a carry-on. Do not check you a bag, bro, because if you check you a bag, you have to take it under the my brain fucking, but if you have to put it under the plane, you have a higher chance of losing your luggage, because I've had it to where, like, you know, I be one spot and I'm trying to get my luggage, and then my luggage still somewhere else, or it done got shipped somewhere else on accident, and I don't need those problems. You know what I'm saying? You don't need those problems. So yeah, but always, you know, if you're traveling alone, traveling dolo, make sure to get you a carry-on, take you a personal item, and you should be good. You should be chilling. You know what I'm saying? Is this another one right here? I gotta keep what I got, because I just found another one. Oh, bro, I don't know no more. Look at this one, though. I'm tripping, or am I not? Am I tripping, or am I, like, I don't even know no more. I don't know no more. I don't know no more. I don't even know anymore. I don't know anymore what to do. They're the same price. They're the same dimensions. This one's like, it got a handle on the bottom of it and a handle on the top. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do anymore. I literally do not know. I don't know what to do no more. There's 2 of them. They look the damn same almost, but I don't know what to do. I'm about to start going around the store asking people questions on what they think. I don't know if this is good quality sound or not, but I'm about to start. I need to find somebody. Which bag would you choose? Which bag would you pick? Guys, we lost. We lost already. We already lost. Let's see somebody else. Anybody, somebody gotta be answering. Which bag? I don't know. Maybe it's my skin color. I think it's my skin color that's making me look suspicious.
Freaking man. Free my nigga bitch female, watch bitch watch. Go. Freaking nasty bitch, I make her kick rocks. I say I'm on the way, I'm talking to the top. I just push the gas so I can't never stop. I stay in my bag so I can't never flop. Heard he spitting lyrics, I'ma get him dropped. These bitches asking for the lean, she know I'm finna drop. They see I'm going up, they say I'm finna pop. I been cooking up, I need a bigger pop. Damn, gas to the face, shit, I can't even talk. Look at my body, I can't even rock. I got blues in my pocket, I might crip walk. Hold on, take a second, let that stick talk. Like 2 step.